Welcome to today's chemistry lecture. In this lecture, we are going to study about vitamins and nucleic acids, their source, deficiencies, and types. So, without wasting any time, let's start our today's lecture. Definition: what is a vitamin? Vitamins are organic substances that do not directly provide energy or build body cells, unlike carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. Their function: they are absolutely necessary to maintain normal health and growth in body. They function as organic catalysts for various biological processes. Their etymology: the name originates because the first discovered compound of this class was an amine, leading scientists to name them vital amines, which later became vitamins. Quantity: over the years, scientists have prepared 30 vitamins essential for the human body. Importance and sources of specific vitamins. Vitamin A source: present in milk, egg, fish, and liver. Deficiency effect: lack of vitamin A cause night blindness and dry skin. Vitamin D can be obtained from butter and fish liver oils. Synthesis: our skin can prepare vitamin D directly with exposure to sunlight. Role: crucial for normal teeth and bone development. Deficiency effect: lack of vitamin D causes a bone disease called rickets. Vitamin C ascorbic acid source: found in citrus fruits, green peppers, and tomatoes. Deficiency effect: deficiency of vitamin C in the body causes scurvy. Vitamin B1 and B2 source: widely distributed in nature and found in red meat, nuts, and leafy vegetables. Deficiency of vitamin B1 leads to fatigue and depression. Deficiency of vitamin B causes inflammation of the lips, dryness, and burning sensation in the eyes. Quick check solutions. So first question is, which vitamin is present in lemon? As we all know, vitamin C ascorbic acid is present in lemon, as lemons belong to the family of citrus fruits, which are rich source of this nutrient. Second question: compare the roles played by vitamins and carbohydrates in our body. Answer is: carbohydrates serve as the primary direct source of energy for the body and help the body utilize proteins and fats efficiently. Vitamins do not directly provide energy or build cells; instead, they act as catalysts for biological processes and are necessary to maintain normal health and growth. Next to nucleic acids. Context: carbohydrate, protein, fats, and water make up about 99% of most living organisms. The crucial 1%. The remaining 1% represents the compounds of vital importance, which include two types of nucleic acid: deoxyribonucleic acids (DNA) and ribonucleic acid (RNA). Biological role: these compounds are responsible for the existence, development, and reproduction of all forms of life. Comparison: DNA and RNA. Well, DNA and RNA are completely or chemically similar compounds. They differ significantly in size and location and function. Feature: relative size. DNA are very large molecules. Instead, RNA are much smaller molecules. Their molecular mass: deoxyribonucleic acids are up to 660 Da, while the RNA is up to 140 Da. Physical length: up to 12 cm when stretched out, while RNA are significantly very short. Their primary location: mostly found inside the nucleus of the cells, while RNA mostly found outside the cell nucleus. Primary function of DNA: stores genetic information and passes it on to RNA at the proper time, while RNA reads, decodes, and uses the information to synthesize the proteins. Here is some interesting information. The molecular mass of polymers like nucleic acid is often expressed in millions or billions of daltons, as we previously learned, as DNA consists of 660 dalton while RNA consists up to 140 Daltons. Here is some quick check solutions. First question is, what is the function of RNA? So we already studied the primary function of RNA is read, decode and use the genetic instructions received from DNA to synthesize proteins. Second question, what are the basic differences between DNA and RNA? Size and mass. DNA is very large molecule with a molecular mass up to 650 Dalton and stretch length of up to 12 cm, whereas the RNA is much smaller with the molecular mass of 340 Dalton. Location. DNA is found mostly inside the cell nucleus while RNA is found mostly outside the nucleus. Function. DNA stores genetic information and passes it to RNA, whereas the RNA translates that information into protein synthesis. So this was today's lecture. Hopefully you will understand it very well.